Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the home of my video content here on YouTube and my name is Anita. I've been helping entrepreneurs for the last 6 years to use video and social media to grow an online business, and that's exactly what you'll get help with here on this channel. So what sort of content will you be seeing here on this channel once you've hit that subscribe button? Well, I'll be doing lots of videos on how you can use YouTube as a business tool to help with your visibility and your marketing. I'll also be covering other social media platforms such as Facebook and Instagram and a little snippet of LinkedIn and Twitter. I'll also be showing you how to use some of the digital tools at your fingertips that will help you to grow your business online. One of the main focuses that you will find on this channel is actually the journey that you will be taken on through my videos, which is why it's really important that you hit that subscribe button. Now, I'm not just saying that for the sake of it. I'm saying that because I believe, as an entrepreneur who has been in business for several years now, that some of the stumbling blocks that I came across was because I didn't have a flow where I could take my audience through a particular journey in order for them to get to know me and to like me and trust me, but also for me to get to know them so that I could actually nurture them and then begin to sell to them. So on this channel, you will learn how to put this type of flow in place using video. And this will start with growing an audience, building a community inside your email marketing, finding a space online where your audience can hang out and have discussions with each other, and of course where you interact with your audience when they are paying you for a service. All of this will be covered on this channel in the coming months. Another thing I want to highlight in this welcome video is that I am a mother of 4 children and I do know what it's like to have to juggle work, home responsibilities and other family responsibilities. So I understand completely the struggles of juggling all of these things together. So I hope that the content on this channel will help you set yourself some goals that are achievable to you so that you can slowly but surely work towards running your own online business, which is profitable to you and what you want it to be. Now, it's not always going to be about work as well. You know, I have 4 kids who are young adults, but I also love to travel and I also love my sport, which is BMX racing. And I love going to the gym and hanging out with my friends. So there will be a few little videos on what life is like as an entrepreneur when you're running a busy home, but also enjoying some me time and enjoying the sports that you love. So I hope that you'll find this channel an inspiration for you so that you can go ahead and step into that zone of genius that you've been hiding and want to bring to the world so that you can enjoy being an entrepreneur, but also enjoy juggling what's happening at work with what's happening in your own life. So all that's left to say is have an amazing day and I will see you in my next video. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button.